Welcome to another edition, another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now I'm here at the Raumati Village Community Garden, and just look at the amount of coriander we've got, and the chart is going well, and look at all that spinach, yummy yummy. And the silver beet, that's looking good. That was the bed we planted up a while ago, so that spinach is looking yummy. I'm going to be taking some and some silver beet with me for dinner tonight, so that will be good. Well, this bed has been a bit of a disappointment. The radishes have obviously been eaten. You can see a few remains. The spring onions haven't done well at all. I'm just thinking it's the contamination of the soil that was added to our compost. Yeah, it looks like it's impeded growth, except for a few weeds, but those spring onions should be huge by now. So yes, do not put dirty soil in your dirty soil. Yeah, don't put dirty soil in your nice freshly composted garden beds, because that was just soil that was put in from weeding waste. Yeah, very disappointing, because that bed should be full. But we'll try again. I'll have to get some more hardy seedlings, and let's get some companion planting in there too to keep the bugs at bay. So yeah, and now look at our broad beans. Look at that, yummy yummy yummy. Now broad bean leaves and flowers are really good to make pesto with, and of course you can make your pesto vegan by not adding your parmesan cheese in. You don't really need parmesan cheese in at all. You can just use some nuts. You could get some vegan cheese, or you could just use a bit of cashew cheese. That would be really nice. But yeah, you do not need parmesan or equivalents dairy cheeses. And look at those mustard greens, and the coriander is amazing, yum. And of course we're going to get some coriander seeds, so if anyone is close by the Raumati Village Community Garden, come around, pick some coriander. You can pick some leaves of the broad beans. Do not pick the broad beans yet, as they are not ready. You'll just find them basically full of air and fluff and not good for eating at all. But the leaves, definitely. Just pick out the young leaves, some of the young flowers if you want, but otherwise just leave the flowers to become broad beans. So yeah, so please come down, pick some silver beet and some spinach. There's some lovely sage here if you want to grab a few leaves for dinner. They're looking very good. And of course there's more coriander. So yeah, don't pull out the plants, just take as many leaves as you'd like, and just let the plants keep growing and producing more leaves for food. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and yeah, stay wild about gardening. You've got all the vegan food that you need. Well, Be nice to grow lots of beans and lentils and chickpeas, but you can do that quite easily here in New Zealand. So yeah, stay green, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about nature and animals, and be vegan, because vegan is good and eating animals is bad. So until next time, bye.